Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a review on these really lovely statues. I don't know what you would call them really. They're by Alison Cork from QVC. I would say they're finials because they really remind me of the finials that you used to have at the top of the Christmas tree in the 60s. So to me, that's what they look like, but I guess you could have them if you like a Moroccan style as well. So they look like Mercury glass, but they're actually not, and they're really, really lightweight. They look really heavy, but they're so light. I can't decide whether they are really light glass or like a plastic. I think they are some sort of glass from the sound that they make. But they are so pretty and they just give off such a lovely red colour. So we'll switch them on. They have a timer, so you can switch them onto a timer where they stay on for 6 hours, and then they'll switch themselves on that time every single day. So as you can see, when they light up, they're more of a orangey red colour, but it really doesn't detract from how pretty they are. So these at the moment are on sale on QVC. I think they're around £29 for the red ones. So if you want to get them, I would suggest getting them now. And I leave these out all year because they're just so pretty. And you can have them for Christmas, but you can have them out all year round as well. They did do a blue option, but the blue option sold out. So red it is, but as you can see, my kitchen's red, so it really goes well. Okay, so that's the end of our review today. So get yourself over to QVC and get them as fast as you can. I would, because they're selling fast. So thanks ever so much, everyone, for joining. And here comes my cat. There she goes. And if you like my videos, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any. Thanks ever so much, guys. Bye.